Maybe they can all make their replies, then we'll call the sureties at once.
No case 0555.
That the submission is on the state in respect of the second accused responsible bail. Name. In court. My humble prayer, honor to Kisaka to come forward so that he might go to see them.
Your Worship, we've also been served with an affidavit this morning at 10:48 a.m. by the prosecution together with submissions written. Your Worship, the submissions are omnibus. They have made one submission for all the three accused, despite the fact that there are three standalone applications. Having said that, Your Worship,
Yes, you are saying about paragraph. You're talking about paragraph.
apart from admitting, the paragraph choose presumption of innocence and right to be admitted on bail under the reasonable terms that this court may deem fit. And Your Honor, we are ready to present.
Duly associate with the same and invite court to consider the same in arriving at this decision. Worship, we have been equally served. We've been served with the affidavit.
Not in any way. But otherwise, deny the applicant bail.
Uganda versus Kisaka Chimba David Salulimbas and Dr. Okelo Ayen Daniel.
We don't force her to reply. Maybe she doesn't. We don't force. Bazirengedde for A2. I have this to state that I received 3 separate applications for bail, much as I have received an omnibus response to the application. In respect to Madame Dorothy Kisaka Chimba, I considered the application and have considered the submissions made by Counsel Apollo Makubuya and Counsel Fred Mwema, together with Counsel Kagoro, Counsel Galisionga Julius, and Counsel. I think that is all for A1. In respect to Mr. David Saliruyimbazi, I have considered the submissions filed by Counsel Bazirengede and Counsel Tumusime. For Dr. Okelo, I have considered the submissions filed by Counsel Balese Bazirake and Counsel Luganda. I have also considered the omnibus response by the state to the different applications. I have looked at the documents presented by the sureties. The state did not make any objection to the documents filed by the sureties. I have addressed my mind to the law, specifically Article 28(3) of the Constitution, and I've addressed my mind to the Constitution bail guidelines for courts of judicature, practice directions, legal notice number 8 of 2022. I have also addressed my mind to Section 77, discretionary powers to grant bail. All in all, I'm making an omnibus ruling. All in all, I'm satisfied. I'm starting with A1, Madam Kisaka Dorothy, because I had made different rulings. I'm satisfied with the applicant's antecedents that the applicant has a fixed place of abode within the jurisdiction of this court. The sureties presented are substantial. I further find that the case is in early stages and there is no clear time frame as to when trial will end, considering the number of counts in the charge sheet. I therefore exercise my discretion to grant the applicant bail on the following million shillings cash. Each of the 5 sureties, that is Hussein Uliyimbazi, Dr. Joseph Muvawala, Mori Harriet Chibalama, Dr. Frederick S. Kauma, Rosin Atim Obita, are bond a sum of 100 million each, not cash. 100 million, not cash. The applicant shall deposit her original passport in court. The applicant shall not leave the country without leave of court. With above conditions, if the above conditions are fulfilled, you are released. In respect to Mr. David Saliruyimbazi, with the applicant's antecedents, you have a fixed place of abode. The sureties presented are substantial. The case is at an early stage, and there is no clear time frame as to bail. The applicant shall deposit a sum of 5 million shillings cash. Each of the 4 sureties, Sally Damari, Karania Morris Robert, Mokasa Godfrey Kaya, Matovo Dixon Insamba, are bound in the sum of 100 million, not cash. The applicant and Dr. Mpimbaza Arthur Mwambari are bonded a sum of 100 million, not cash. You are required to deposit your original passport in court, and you shall not leave the country without the leave of court. I so Order. Overboard, the surety is presented as substantial. I further find that the case is at an early stage and there is no clear indication as to when the trial will end, considering the counts in the charge sheet. I therefore exercise my discretion and release you on a cash bail of 5 million.
Olwaleero kooti wanekasanga ati yayimbudde client waffe Dorothy Kisaka yaliko executive director wa KCCA nge esanze nti ebyetaagisa byonna mu mateeka bituukiriza tajja kuyingira mu investigation kugotaanya ate constitutional right ye okufuna bail. So tuli basanyufu nnyo ffe mu kulaba okwaffe ne weeks 2 zaali tezeetaagisa musiba kubanga omuntu yetwala yekka ku poliisi neyereeta ku kooti naye bwe bityo biba nga tulindiridde okuwulira omusango guno. Charges 50 ze bamutaddeko yazeegaana, so twagala nnyo tulabe try eno wegenda mu maaso akiriyinga erinnya lye kuba kati bamusiiza enziro okulaba okwaffe talina musango gwe yazza naye katugende mu kooti tulabe obujulizi bwe baleeta.
So nesalawo ebawe bail ng'eddembe lyabwe eryobwebange mu constitution ya Uganda werigamba naye kubeerako obukwakulizo era eteeseeko akakwakulizo akasooka nti balina okuleka passport zaabwe mu kooti. Ekyokubiri tebalina fuluma ggwanga nga tebasabye kooti lukusa kubanga era passport zijja kuba ziri mu kooti. Oba ogenda fuluma ojja n'ogitegeeza nti ŋŋenda eno neekuwa passport yo. Ekyokusatu nga balina okuwaayo $5,000,000 ez'obuliwo buli omu ku bo abasatu nga kooti emugambye nti asasule $5,000,000 mu cash ez'obuliwo. Ate ababeeyimiridde
bannayenze ndiwo wano nga muwala wa Dorothy Kisaka omu bw'ati.
Owulira otya kyekibadde mu kooti obudde
olwaleero kyensobola okugamba nti ndabye obukulu bwa Katonda nga yeegulumiza. Bannange sitaani ne buli yeegulumiza otya tolyenkana Katonda. Ate buli wabeera embuyaga wabeerawo okuyimusibwa. Tumanyi nti kino kiyimusiza mama waffe Madamu Dorothy Kisaka ku level endala. Wabula wali babadde basoma omulamuzi agamba nti with others twetaaga abo abalala baasigalayo abaali ba supervisor be nga baminisita ba Kampala nabo tubeetaaga wano mu Kagugu. Tubeetaaga wano.